Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to chat in Chess Mobile. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, we're gonna sign up or sign in with our account, right? And we're gonna enter our maybe Apple account, okay? So we're gonna hide our email right here, and we're gonna wait a couple seconds. After we sign in or choose a username to our playground, as I can say, right, we can proceed. All right, and I can play with a friend. Okay, if I have like a friend or something, I can always search by its name. If I don't have like a friend or player next to me, I can always play a new game online with a ordinary person. Okay, so if I choose like 10 minutes, okay, that's good, and I'm agreeing. I'm going with a couple seconds, and as you can see, I am playing this person right here, and I can send message, and chat with that person on chess. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.